Hello, good morning, children. Once again, this is your social science teacher, Jasveer Kaur, is here to revise about your chapter number first, geography, major questions, 1 mark questions. I have given the pictures as well, and you have to note down all the things so that you may have a record whatsoever is there. So my first question is, what is the longitudinal extent of India? You have to see from picture and write your answer. Second question I am going to read. Which tropic divides India into almost two equal parts? Which tropic divides India into almost two equal parts, and tell its degree also. And here you have to take map and draw that line according to the degree and mark the name of that line also. So in this way, my dear children, my next question is, name two island groups of India. Major island group of India and their location. We have done it very clearly with the help of diagrams. There is no, I think, any point to I have left so that you have to face problem. I have told you each and everything with the help of diagrams, and it is very easy for you people to give the answer. And my next question is, get ready. Next question is, what is the total area of India land mass? राइट इंडिया लैंड मास स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में कुछ बताना आपने 1 2 3 4 लाइक दैट. तो इन दिस वे माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच कंट्रीज आर बिगर दैन इंडिया इन साइज? Which countries are bigger than India in size, and tell their number also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, there are 6 countries that are bigger, and India's number is 7th largest country of the world. Okay students, ready? Then my next question is that what is the total length of coastline of mainland? Length of coastline of the mainland including Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Yes, you know that children, you have to take care. There may be two type of question: total length of coastline, that is different, and total length of coastline included island group that lies in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, that also you have to mention in between. So take care what is asked, accordingly you have to give answer. Yes, ready children? Next question is 6th. Which two seas are located around India? Don't go for the numbers given in this list. What I am teaching, do take care of that. Which two seas are located around India? Very very important. And one big ocean is also, that's name is like India only. What is the time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh? That for that we have studied about the lag of some time, ISD इस टाइप से मैंने कुछ पढ़ाया था आपको. We have marked that line in between 82.5 degree, 82.5 degree east. So in this way, dear children, hopefully you are understanding these answers, and this is the last time. After that I will not revise this. You have to take care, because very soon you are going to be taken your midterm 1, and before that there would be pre-midterm 2nd also, but that is of minor. Major exam is that one, but you don't have to miss any type of exams. Yes, my next question is, from where does the standard meridian passes in India? Standard meridian passes in India. Then my next question is, why 82.5 degree east has been selected as the standard meridian of India? Very very important, this question asked every time. What is the importance of this line? Why it has been selected? Why it has been done? Right? So then you have to justify Indian Ocean's name after India. अभी अभी मैं आई मैंशन दिस थिंग, इसी का जिक्र कर रही थी मैं अभी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में कि देयर इज़ वन ओशन दैट इज़ नेम्ड आफ्टर इंडिया, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू टेल विच इज नेम ऑफ एंड यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई ऑल्सो, राइट, justification is to be given. Then my next question is, according to this, what is the total length and width of India? What is the total length and width of India? Then my next question is, how had India kept her relationship with the world in the ancient times? You have to give some references from ancient times, right? How is it there? एंशियंट टाइम में, दैट इज सेंट्रल लोकेशन ऑफ इंडिया में मैंने कुछ पढ़ाया था आपको, दैट यू हैव टू राइट हियर, दैट यू हैव टू गिव हियर. देन विच आइडियाज़ फ्रॉम इंडिया कुड रीच टू द वर्ल्ड? पूरे वर्ल्ड में कौन से आइडियाज़ रीच हुए थे इंडिया के? देन इसमें कुछ बुक्स के नाम आएंगे, कुछ हिस्टोरिकल थिंग्स के नाम आएंगे. यू हैव टू take care accordingly, you have to mention the things. Then yes, don't ask me to send these pictures once again. You have to read from here, or you have to take care from your book. Whatsoever question I am reading, I am telling you, their answers are given in this picture. But then also, for any doubt, you may talk to me, and please take help of your textbook. From there you will get each and every type of answer. Then my next question is, what commodities were taken from India to the various parts of the world? किन किन चीज़ों का व्यापार किया जाता था? Goods and commodities were taken from India to the other parts of the world. Then my next question is, how many states and union territories does India have? Now presently you have to tell, and you have to locate this on map also. Union territories and this one states. It's states, many times we have done. This is the basic funda to learn geography. Without map location you won't be able to learn, and moreover I never suggest students to learn the things. You have to understand, visualize, only then you will never forget all these things. Then my next question is, how many states that is done? Which is the smallest and largest state of India area wise? You have to tell smallest state area wise as well as the largest state area wise. Very interesting. We are also included in that, right, somewhere. Then our next question is, name the states which don't have international borders or lie on the coast. Always I ask the name the states that sharing border with the other countries, the name the countries that share border with the Indian states. And this is something different, something new question that I have put, that name the states which don't have any international border or lie on the coast area. So in this way my next question is, and that is very very important. You know, my children, hopefully you are doing writing, noting down everything. Then name the states of India sharing border with Pakistan. अभी अभी हम बात कर रहे थे इंटरनेशनल की और इन चीज़ों की. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसी से रिलेटेड आई हैव पुट हियर same question here, that name the states of India sharing its border with Pakistan. Okay, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir. These states are sharing its borders with Pakistan. You know, children, which states of India share border with China? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, approximately 5 states. These states share border with China. And here you may take one more question, that name the states, any 3 that don't share its border with China. Very interesting. Here may be many, but you have to write any 3. Then my next question, you know very well the state sharing border with Myanmar in the eastern part of India, like there are seven sisters, Assam, Gujarat, Assam की तरफ से जो है, तो that you have to tell here, right? Sharing its border with Myanmar. Yesterday also I was telling it, its old name was Burma. Aung San Suu Kyi, जिसे स्मॉल फॉर्म में सूची बोलते थे, शी वॉज द डेमोक्रेटिक लीडर हियर. शी स्पेंट approximately 30 years in prison, and she celebrated her 60th birthday in the jail only, right? So that is very interesting fact, and see the dedication, see the devotion towards the nation by that young lady, right? In her young age she was there, and she came after and become the democratic leader of that Myanmar when after she was got released from jail. Same person is there, one more person is there, same having history. And would you like to tell me his name? He was also in prison for the sake of patriotism, for the sake of his community's savior. He has spent very important youth in youth years in jail only. You know, I think you know. Okay, then let us take next question. Which countries share their boundaries with India? That is very very important, and many times we are here talking about sharing boundaries and not sharing boundaries. That much we are doing here. In this way, my next question is, which two island countries are India's neighbor? Two island countries neighbor that are neighbor of India. Which water body separates Sri Lanka from India? That is also very very important. Name the eastern coastal states of India. Eastern coastal states of India. And here I will take the next question also. You have to tell the western coastal states of India. Western coastal states of India also, right? वही peninsula India you will take. Here there are the eastern, here you will take the western, right? So when I usually teach map, so I start this only 4 states there, 4 states there, something like that. You have to recognize peninsula India. Then you have to take if you want to visit Karavati during summer vacation, which union territory you will be going to? Which union territory you will going to? Then my next question is, children, with which country do states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontier? Very very important. With which country do the states of Uttarakhand, ऊपर से आना स्टार्ट कर देंगे आप जम्मू कश्मीर से, देन उत्तराखंड इन सेंटर मध्य प्रदेश, इस साइड छत्तीसगढ़, देन झारखंड, देन वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम. वेस्ट बंगाल. Okay, I am going to repeat this, there is something wrong. Which country do the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have common frontier with? Right. My next question is, name the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. ये क्वेश्चन बेटा मैंने आपको मैप पे भी करवाया था. यू हैव टू टेक केयर, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 states are there. Don't forget 7 to 8 states are there. Okay, you have to take care. Name the place situated on 3 sides, that also we have done on map. Then the union territories of India: Delhi, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Chandigarh, Andaman Nicobar Island, Daman and Diu, Pondicherry and Lakshadweep. Now there is Ladakh also. So in this way, dear children, this is all about your 1 mark question. Very very important. You have to see the central location of India occupies very important place for international trade and commerce, that you have to see. Okay, bye children, take care.